Can you describe your favorite meal and your least favorite meal? Okay, we will go one by one. Okay, we're going to start with Carlita. What's your favorite meal and what is your least favorite meal? ¿Cuál es su comida favorita y cuál es la menos favorita? Okay, Carlita.
My favorite food is pupusas.
Okay, pupusas, all right. And your least favorite meal?
Uh, mm, Pizza.
Pizza is your least favorite. Esa es la que menos le gusta.
Yes.
Okay, all right, good. Okay, thank you. Then we go with Karina. Karina, what's your favorite food and which is your least favorite food? Um, but on the meantime, Catherine Vega, can you answer that question? Your favorite meal and your least favorite meal?
My favorite meal is I don't know.
Okay. Uh-huh. Just mention something. Something you like.
Well, I like cheese, vegetables, meals, everything.
Okay. All right. And is there any food that you don't like?
Spinach?
The spinach? Okay. All right. Good. All right. Then we go with Rocio. Can you answer the same question? What's your favorite meal and what is your least favorite meal?
My favorite meal is um, quiero ver, lasagna.
Lasagna.
My least favorite meal is vegetables.
Vegetables. You don't like vegetables. Okay. All right. Thank you. Now, Kathy. Kathy, the same question. What's your favorite meal?
Kimchi, chicken noodle soup, meat and lettuce with coconut milk,
Okay.
and sweet beans.
Sweet beans. Okay. Awesome. That sounds delicious. And what meal you don't like? What's your least favorite? ¿Cuál es el que menos le gusta? ¿La comida que menos le gusta?
Sweet beans
It's sweet beans.
and burgers.
Okay. All right. Okay, I don't like sweet beans either. Okay. Good. Um, and then after this part, we're moving to the grammar. So for the first grammar point, we're going to study too many, too much, not enough, plus noun. Okay. ¿Qué les dije que significaba enough?
Suficiente.
Exactly. Very good. All right. So Karina says that her favorite meal is spaghetti. Okay. That's good. All right. Okay. So we're going to check this sentences. We need to select the correct option, either much, many, or enough. And then we're going to get the rule from the information in this part. Okay. So first one, he always cooked two things. Too what? Too much? Too many? Or too enough? What do you think would be the correct answer in that part? Okay, so we say too many things. Very good. What about number two? There's too much, many, enough salt in the spaghetti. What would be the correct option here?
Much. There's too much.
There's too much. In that case, we would say there's too much. All right, so here we have there's too much salt in the spaghetti. Very good. What about number 3? There isn't much, many, enough tomato sauce on it.
Enough.
There isn't enough. Very good. There isn't enough tomato sauce on it. Then number 4. There aren't much, many, enough vegetables in the soup.
And now?
Okay, there aren't, in this case, enough. La GH en este caso se pronuncia como si fuera una F. Okay, enough. All right, so there aren't enough vegetables in the soup. And the last one, there isn't much, many, enough sugar in my coffee. What would be the correct option?
Much.
There isn't. In that case, would be enough. We're still using enough. Okay, so let's make the analysis. Okay, number 1, he always cooks too many things. Things, is it count or non-count? ¿Puedo contar cosas como 1 thing, 2 things, 3 things? Yes or no? La palabra thing, que significa cosa, es contable? Yes, right? We can count it. All right. What about salt? Can I count 1 salt, 2 salts, 3 salts? Is that possible?
No.
No, right? Okay. So in that case, we have here a difference. This is count and this is non-count. And we are using different. Lo mismo que estuvimos viendo de how much y how many la semana pasada, lo aplicamos acá. El many lo usamos con count y much con uncount. Y lo acompañamos con too. Right? Too much, too many. Toda la expresión junta, too much o too many, significa mucho. Okay, pero en inglés, mucho se diferencia entre mucho para cosas contables y mucho para cosas no contables. All right? So this is the first part. Now, enough. Enough lo puedo ocupar en forma afirmativa o negativa, like here. There isn't enough tomato sauce on it. Okay? No hay suficiente salsa de tomate. So, tomato sauce, can I count it? Yes or no? ¿Puedo contar la salsa de tomate? No, right? And what about vegetables? Can I count vegetables? Can I say 1 vegetable, 2 vegetables, 3 vegetables?
Si se mete tal vez así como piezas, también se puede, y se mete entero, pues también.
Okay, all right. So, yeah, si estamos hablando como el vegetal completo, yes, we can count it. All right, and sugar, we cannot count it. So enough, either negative or affirmative, we can use it with both count and non-count. Okay, so we have here the rule. Use to with count nouns. ¿Cuál dijimos que usábamos con los nombres contables? We use. ¿Cuál es el que usamos con los nombres contables? Too much or too many?
Too much, creo.
No, actually, that's the other one. We use too many.
Too many.
Very good. And too much lo usamos con non-count. Okay, so we have too many, too much. And enough or not enough, we use it con both count and non-count. Okay, so this is the rule. Okay, esta es la regla. Cuando usar too many y cuando usar too much. Or when we use not enough. Now let's complete this exercise just to confirm the knowledge. All right. So we can use either too much, too many, or not enough. There are mushrooms on this pizza.
Ajá, ¿qué es eso, picha?
Mushrooms,
Ujú.
hongos. So there are mushrooms on this pizza. I hate them. Hay hongos en esta pizza. Los odio. What would be the word here? Too much, too many, or not enough?
Much.
There are two.
No, there's many.
Many. Okay, very good. There are too many mushrooms on this pizza. I hate them. Okay, now that was the trial one. Let's see number 2. There's salt in the soup. I can eat it. So what would be the expression in there? There's not enough, there's too much, or there's too many? What's the answer for the salt in here?
¿Qué era salt, teacher?
Salt, sal.
Entonces creo que es
There is too much salt.
there's too much.
There's too much salt. Very good. All right. Now, number 3. There is sugar in my coffee. Can I have some more, please?
There too much. Creo.
We use too much with sugar, but in this sentence, we should use another expression. What's the expression?
Enough, entonces creo.
There is not enough sugar in my coffee. ¿Por qué? Porque estoy pidiendo más. Entonces quiere decir que no tengo la cantidad suficiente. There's not enough sugar in my coffee. Can I have some more, please? Okay. Now, number 4. There are chairs. Can you stand? Can you stand significa te puedes quedar de pie. So what would be the answer for number 4? There are what?
Too many.
There are not enough chairs. Can you stand?
There are not enough chairs. ¿Por qué? No hay sillas suficientes. ¿Te puedes quedar de pie? Okay, good. Now, number 5. There are cars on the road. It's dangerous to ride my bike. What would be the answer for number 5? There are what? There are too much, there are too many, or there are not enough cars on the road?
There are too many.
There are too many cars. Very good. All right, and the last one. We have homework tonight. I want to watch TV.
Too many.
We have not. Sorry.
Homework es no contable. En inglés no puedo decir una tarea, 2 tareas. Okay, so we
Too much.
in that case it's too much. Very good. All right, good. So this is how we should use too many, too much, not enough.